Hello everybody, welcome to Fort Mojave, Arizona. We are pool owners and the pool pump runs for free all day, every day. The vacuum runs, the fountains run, and the skimmer runs. So I got the idea from a YouTuber named GR55 on how to do solar pool pump. So that's what this is. Running on solar, free pool pump, and let me show you what I got. Here is my new solar array. 4 panels I picked up used from Craigslist. They were $75 each. They're 250 watt panels, 36 volt. I'll get you the specs in a second. And there's my old filter that needs a little love, but it was the old unit with 220 volt motor, running about 70 bucks a month in electricity. So after searching for a solar pump solution, I came up with this 900 watt pool pump on Amazon. It's a well pump converted to use for a pool pump. So the part number is JP 21-19/900, 72 volts, 900 watts, 1.2 horsepower. Turns over the pool about 4 times a day at least. Check valves, courtesy of GR55. I'll link you to his page where he's the actual designer of this idea, where you can run a pool motor and it closes the check valve for the other pool motor and vice versa. So if I need to run the 220 volt, it'll automatically close the valve to the solar pump. That way I can prime the filter if I need to after cleaning it. It's good to have in case of a backup or a cloudy, rainy day or a rainy week, which is rare here in Arizona. So that's the setup I have there. 2 of the panels. I'm underneath them now, a little area of shade. Like I said, these are refurb panels, 250 watts. I've been reading about 36 volts each under load. They're pretty powerful. They're used, so they probably got a little wear on them, but they're working great. You can get these on Craigslist typically for about $75 each. I went out and bought 1.5 inch poles, fence poles. Concrete them in the ground. They're still a little bit flimsy, so I might do some bracing, but these cross clamps make them rotate left and right and horizontally, so I can follow the sun if I need to in the winter time. So they're fully articulating poles that I made, and the charge controller mounted up here. Just need a little bit of wire tidiness, and I think I'm gonna put a timer on it to limit this thing to 6 or 7 hours a day, because it's running 9-10 hours a day right now, and I'd hate to wear that thing out if I don't need to. Pool's perfectly clean, running for free, courtesy of the sun. Perfect solution out here in Arizona. Thank you.